Hey everybody, welcome back to my carving bench here in Virginia. So in this video, we are going to be putting together our skull mask so that it's actually functional. We have all the pieces, now we just got to put them together so that you can actually put it on your head. So that we can then move on to the next step, which will be adding some pretty cool designs, carving some designs into the skull pieces themselves. Alrighty, so we have our pieces. I have not cleaned them up yet just because I want to get the whole skull together. That way I can see like what I need to work around as far as like where holes are going to go to keep things together. And I think it'll just give me a better idea overall so that I can then clean up each of the pieces of the skull and then move on, of course, to the carving. Now, the one thing I did determine is that I'm going to use a hat, and this will kind of be my base that I will build everything off of. I know it's not very traditional, but I think it'll work for what I'm doing. Just because the antlers are so heavy, I need something that you can attach to your head to give the mask some support. What do you think? I thought that was going to be a whole lot harder than it was to get that bill off. This is about where I want the skull to be on the hat portion. So what I think I'm going to do is attach it in 4 places. 2 on the back here that are going to run into the holes that are already in the hat. And then 2 on the side here just inside the eye sockets. And I think, hopefully, that'll be enough support. If it's not, I can always add some more to the back part of the hat. I think for now, I'm just going to use some zip ties to attach the skull plate to the hat. I'm going to come back later and use some of this leather lace to then secure it. But just for now, just to make sure it works, I'm going to use some of these zip ties. All right, let's test this thing out. Let's see if this idea works. Woo! I think I know what I need to do. I think I just need padding in here, maybe a little bit of material up in the top of the hat to help it sit on my head better. I think it's working, guys. I think it's working. Now I just gotta put the rest of it together. Okay, so I went ahead and bought a foam head. That way I can actually put this mask on something. It's kind of hard to do it while it's on your face to see exactly how things are set up. It's kind of awkward because I'm using the zip ties. It doesn't really lay completely nicely, but that'll be fixed once I put the leather string in there. These are gonna go on top. I'll carve those into the feathers. And then I'm still missing the jaw. Which is going to go down here and hang down. I don't have one. I don't know yet where I'm going to find one, but I'm sure I can come up with something. But I think now I'm just going to clean up all the different pieces. That way we're good to go with the carving. Okay everybody, so this is where I am at. I did put it back together. Like I said, I cleaned everything up. It's ready to carve. I may clean up some of these pieces a little bit, put them in peroxide overnight just to disinfect them. And there's some debris in one of these. I did add 2 pieces on the side here. I think it adds more to it. And then obviously the feathers, which I will carve, will go on top. Not exactly sure how I'll secure those yet. And then I did find a jaw I had, which, just to give you an idea of what it would look like, if I put it on there, it would be like that. But I'm still going to try to find a matching mandible to go on the bottom here. But it's looking nice. I would love to hear what you think. It's hard to, even at this point, visualize what it could turn into. But I think, well, once we do all the carving, probably some color in there, and put it all together, then it's really going to pull itself together. Thank you everybody for watching. Please do stick around for part 3, where I will begin to carve. I'm going to use a Dremel 4000, carve some designs into the skull, and then once we do that, we'll put it all together. Should be pretty cool. Don't forget, if you have not already, please subscribe to my channel. If you have subscribed already, thank you very much. Hey everybody, so thank you for sticking around back here in my carving shed with me. I did want to let you know that I am doing a giveaway, but it only lasts 24 hours after I publish the video. So this is kind of a newer thing I'm doing. After each new video I publish, 24 hours after, I'm doing a giveaway. This time I'm giving away a deer antler dice. So I made this a little bit ago. Pretty cool. It's actually a lot of history as far as people using bones, like whale bones and stuff like that, to make dice with. So it's deer antler, but I hope you like it. Giving away, there's a link down here in the description of the video to enter that giveaway, just as a thank you for watching my my YouTube channel and for sticking around to the very end. Alright guys, see you next time.